Today, the first satellite images emerged of the Pacific nation of Tonga following Saturday's volcanic eruption. The photos show the islands coated in ash.
Imagine a behemoth slumbering beneath the ocean's vast blue blanket, a monster cloaked in darkness, its fiery breath held captive by immense pressure. But today, something shifted. The earth cracked open, unleashing an ancient force. The largest underwater volcano on Earth has awakened, spewing molten fury and rewriting the ocean floor. What secrets lie within this colossal rupture? Will it unleash a torrent of fire and ash or whisper tales of the Earth's hidden past? Join me as we delve into the heart of this volcanic enigma, where science meets wonder and the very fabric of the planet trembles. Be prepared, for we are about to witness the raw, unpredictable power of the Earth herself. The recent discovery of the biggest underwater volcano has left scientists and researchers amazed. This colossal volcanic giant has abruptly cracked open the Earth's crust, causing a mix of fear and curiosity in the scientific community. Given that it is the largest underwater volcano that humans have ever discovered, its unexpected awakening has raised many queries and worries about the possible effects of such a remarkable volcanic event. The sudden cracking of the Earth's crust in this case is the outcome of both tectonic and volcanic activities. This enormous underwater mountain, also known as a seamount, was identified in the Pacific Ocean, resting approximately 13,100 feet beneath the surface. The scale of this volcanic eruption poses challenges that were previously unimaginable with conventional methods. The sheer size and location of this underwater volcano have sparked worries about its potential impact on the global atmosphere and the Western Hemisphere, including the United States. The influence of the volcano's size and location should not be underestimated. The eruption in Tonga was so powerful that it made the atmosphere resonate like a bell, sending pressure waves across the globe in response to the massive explosion. The volcanic plume resulting from this event can be observed streaming from the small snow-capped volcanic island where the eruption occurred, dissipating over the ocean. The most concerning scenario is that of a large, unexpected explosive eruption from a long dormant volcano in a densely populated area. Additionally, underwater mud volcanic activity may affect drilling operations, ring installations, pipeline routings, and gas hydrates associated with deep-water mud volcanoes. The implications of this abrupt cracking of the Earth's crust by the largest underwater volcano in history are extensive, and the scientific community must continue to research and closely monitor the situation. So, submarine volcanoes are also called underwater volcanoes, are intense natural events that can pose a threat to life due to their high energy when they erupt. These geological formations erupt beneath the ocean's surface, causing dramatic events, like the recent eruption in Tonga, which was so powerful that it made the atmosphere resonate like a bell, sending pressure waves worldwide. The largest underwater volcano, Tamu Massif, dwarfs Mauna Loa in Hawaii, the largest active volcano on Earth. The creation of underwater volcanoes happens when magma from the Earth's mantle rises through the crust and reaches the sea floor. Upon meeting the cold ocean water, the magma cools rapidly, forming basaltic rock and often taking on a rounded shape called pillow lava. This process leads to the accumulation of volcanic material under the ocean, eventually forming a new underwater volcano. These volcanoes create unique opportunities for life to flourish, as seen in the active volcano system off the coast of Italy in the Mediterranean. Underwater volcanoes are commonly located in specific areas worldwide, often linked to tectonic plate boundaries and other biologically active regions. The Baku region of the Caspian coast, in eastern Azerbaijan, is one of the most active terrestrial mud volcano areas. This colossal volcanic giant came to light when scientists noticed unusual seismic activity, prompting them to dive deeper into the investigation using advanced technology. Through this, they unveiled the existence of this enormous underwater volcano, exposing its hidden secrets and the possible outcomes of its awakening. The sheer size and scale of this underwater volcano are mind-boggling. Shooting up nearly half a mile from the ocean floor, it spans an incredible 3.1 miles in length, making it one of the largest volcanic structures ever discovered by humans. Some noteworthy features include its towering height, its massive diameter covering several miles, and the intricate structure formed by overlapping lava domes. The location of this colossal underwater volcano is crucial to understanding its potential impact on the surrounding area. Situated in the eastern Aleutian Arc, its proximity to densely populated regions poses a significant threat. Augustine, historically the most active volcano in this area, is recognized as one of Alaska's potentially most hazardous. As scientists continue their study and monitoring of this underwater titan, the world watches anxiously, hoping to better comprehend the potential consequences of its awakening and find ways to mitigate the risks posed by this breathtaking natural wonder. Some crucial immediate effects include the disturbance of underwater habitats and migration patterns, the release of toxic gases into the water, significant changes in water temperature and acidity levels, and disruption of underwater ecosystems, causing the death or displacement of various species. This unprecedented event has the potential to bring about lasting changes in the marine environment, such as alterations in ocean currents and circulation patterns, shifts in the distribution and abundance of marine species, effects on the global climate through the release of greenhouse gases, and changes in the chemical composition of the ocean, potentially affecting the entire food chain. The disruption caused by this event poses challenges in various sectors, including reduced yields or loss of income for fishing and aquaculture industries, negative impacts on tourism and recreational activities due to environmental concerns, infrastructure damage, and disruptions to transportation and communication networks, as well as an increased risk of natural disasters like tsunamis and coastal flooding, affecting coastal communities and economies. Some major findings include an unprecedented understanding of the forces behind underwater volcano formation and eruption, the identification of previously unknown seamounts and geological structures, and insights into the impact of underwater eruptions on marine ecosystems and coastal communities. The eruption yields invaluable data to advance our understanding of various aspects of these geological phenomena, including the mechanisms driving underwater volcanic eruptions and their potential triggers, the effects of underwater volcanoes on global climate patterns and natural disasters, and the potential for future underwater volcanic eruptions, and their implications for global safety and security. The eruption of the largest underwater volcano not only results in new discoveries and research opportunities, but also opens a door to potential applications for future study and exploration. By comprehending the processes and impacts of underwater volcanic activity, scientists can develop new technologies and strategies to monitor, predict, and ultimately mitigate the risks associated with these events. Some possible applications include improved monitoring and early warning systems for underwater volcanic eruptions, the development of new methods for exploring and mapping the ocean floor, particularly in regions with high volcanic activity, and enhanced safety protocols and guidelines for marine and coastal operations in areas prone to underwater volcanic eruptions. Monitoring and studying the activity of the largest underwater volcano has become a vital task for scientists and researchers worldwide. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, underscores the importance of effective monitoring linked to the rapid communication of hazard information to communities. This is essential for ensuring the safety of people living near the volcano and for gaining a better understanding of its behavior. Advanced technologies such as remote sensing and seismic monitoring are being employed to closely track the volcano's movements and potential threats. By carefully observing the underwater volcano, scientists aim to predict future eruptions and prepare for their impact. Predictions for future eruptions and their impact are crucial for safeguarding the lives of millions of people residing in areas vulnerable to volcanic hazards. The most perilous situation arises from a large, unexpected explosive eruption from a long-dormant volcano in a densely populated area. The recent eruption of the hunga Ha'apai volcano showcased the immense power of underwater volcanic activity, launching water vapor into space for the first time from an earthly volcano. Additionally, the eruption in Tonga was so powerful that the atmosphere resonated like a bell, with pressure waves traveling globally in response to the massive event. By understanding the potential scale and impact of future eruptions, scientists can inform communities and develop strategies for mitigating the risks associated with volcanic activity. The role of the largest underwater volcano in the Earth's ecosystem is multifaceted and complex. One significant aspect of underwater volcanic activity is its contribution to deep structural and diagnostic processes, such as the formation of gas hydrates and minerals. Researchers study mud volcanoes, like the Vault Mud volcano, to gain insight into otherwise hidden processes. Moreover, underwater volcanoes play a crucial role in the Earth's geological and biological systems. For instance, they contribute to the formation of new landmass, regulate ocean temperatures, and provide unique habitats for marine life. By recognizing the importance of these underwater behemoths in the Earth's ecosystem, researchers can better understand their role in the overall health and stability of our planet. What is the importance of studying underwater volcanoes? The importance of the largest underwater volcano cannot be overemphasized. A recent colossal eruption in Tonga grabbed the world's attention, creating shockwaves that reverberated globally, causing the Earth's atmosphere to resonate like a bell. This extraordinary event has fueled a heightened sense of curiosity and wonder, captivating people worldwide as they marvel at the sheer power and spectacle of volcanic occurrences. Augustine in Kamishak Bay, the most active volcano in the eastern Aleutian Arc, stands as a vivid example of the immense geological forces operating beneath the ocean's surface. Comprehending the Earth's ecosystem is paramount, and the exploration of underwater volcanoes is integral to this pursuit. These natural wonders provide invaluable insights into profound structural and diagenetic processes, such as the formation of gas hydrates and mineral deposits. By delving into the study of these underwater geological phenomena, scientists can gain a better understanding of the intricate interactions among the Earth's crust, oceans, and atmosphere. So we hope you like our video, then do share it and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.